So this housing is probably designed to run a bunch of different widths of gears up to a certain point. So as you make this smaller, but you make this larger, you actually increase the volume that the pump can supply. So literally, this pump housing may do a range of cc's, or cubic centimeters per revolution, and that's how most gear pumps are actually sized, is by, in one revolution, how much actual oil is displaced in cubic centimeters. Or in American speak, how much oil is displaced per revolution in cubic inches. And there is actually a formula that if you actually know the width of the teeth, the diameter, or the distance between the two teeth, I'll actually confirm that, and I might actually put it up on the screen and put it in the description below. But if you have the gears and you know the diameter and you know the width and you know this centered distance between the two when they're meshed together, you can actually calculate quite accurately the displacement per revolution. So you don't have to measure, you can actually calculate it quite accurately.